Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Ready? 5 seconds. Learned Counsel further submits that the effect of no claim certificate has been examined by this court in National Insurance Company Limited versus Boghara Polyfab Private Limited 2009 within bracket 1 SCC 267, and there are series of decisions of this court where no claim certificate in itself has never been considered to be the basis to non-suit. The request made in appointing an arbitrator to independently examine the dispute arising under the terms of the agreement. Learned Counsel further submits that once the appellants have failed to appoint an arbitrator under the terms of agreement before the application under section 11 within bracket 6 being filed before the court, the authority forfeits its right of appointing an arbitrator, and it is for the Chief Justice, his designate, to appoint an independent arbitrator under section 11 within bracket 6 of the Act 1996 as held by this court in Datar Switchgears Limited versus Tata Finance Limited, and another 2000 within bracket 8 SCC 151 followed in Punj Lloyd Limited versus Petronet MHB Limited 2006 within bracket 2 SCC 638, and later in Union of India versus Bharat Battery Manufacturing Company Private Limited 2007 within bracket 7 SCC 684, that once the party fails to appoint an arbitrator until filing of an application under section 11 within bracket 6 of the Act, the opposite party would lose its right of appointment of arbitrators as per the terms of the contract. Learned Counsel further submits that while dealing with section 11 within bracket 6, the Chief Justice, his designate, can even overlook the qualification of the arbitrator under the agreement, but arbitration agreement in the instant case does not contain any specific qualification of the arbitrator under clause 64 within bracket 3 of the GCC, and since the appellants failed to appoint an arbitrator until the application was filed, section 11 within bracket 6 empowers the court to deviate from the agreed terms if required by appointing an independent arbitrator and by virtue of operation of section 12 within bracket 5 of the Amendment Act 2015, the employee of the railway establishment became ineligible to be appointed as arbitrator. In the given circumstances, the authority is vested with the Chief Justice or his designate to appoint an independent arbitrator under section 11 within bracket 6 of the Act, and the same has been held by this court in Northeastern Railway and others versus Triple Engineering Works 2014 within bracket 9 SCC 288 and Union of India and others versus Uttar Pradesh State Bridge Corporation Limited 2015 within bracket 2 SCC 52. Learned Counsel further submits that the primary object by introducing the remedy to measure arbitration is to have a fair, speedy and inexpensive trial by the arbitral tribunal. The applicant Bhanwarlal had filed SB Civil Writ Petition number 6865 of 2006 before the High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan and Jaipur, praying for the following reliefs: issue a writ of mandamus or any other writ, order or direction commanding the respondents to grant disability pension to the petitioner, and 3 impugned order passed by NP3 dated 22 March 2005 rejecting the disability pension be quashed and set aside. Issue A writ of mandamus or any other writ, order or direction quashing the order of discharge with effect from 31st October 2004 and the petitioner be reinstated in service. Alternatively, he be allowed all benefits which may have accrued to him on reinstatement. Issue an appropriate writ, order or direction that any order passed subsequent to the filing of this writ petition negating the relief may be treated to have challenged under this writ petition, and same way also be quashed and set aside. Issue appropriate writ, order or direction as deemed just and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case in favor of the petitioner, including the cost. The above writ petition came to be transferred to this tribunal for adjudication wide order dated 9 December 2010 and has been registered as transferred application number 302 of 2010. आज की टीसी बहुत स्लो स्पीड बोली है, इसलिए किसी की भी एरर ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. All errors within 5%. Total word is 620.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.